my garage door, a dryer vent, duct tape on my microwave. The toilet constantly runs. I have a cabinet door in my garage. Andrew's bathroom sink doesn't work at all. My kid will just like get water and go.
Tracy, do you know what we have in common?
Red lipstick.
I was going to say, we're both homeowners.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. But we're very different kinds of homeowners. So I'm a Pinterest homeowner.
Yeah.
I'm a DIYer. And Tracy's not. She's not a
Nope.
DIYer. She just lets stuff stay broken. So, I really like to be a DIYer. Not just because it's fun, but because it improves the value of my home.
Well, it's our return on investment. I mean, I'm paying a mortgage every month, and for sure.
Right. So when you go
I
to
mean,
sell
it's
a
smart,
house,
yeah.
you want it to be worth more than when you bought it,
Yeah.
right? So I have no
So
equity in
exciting.
my home. I just bought it. But I have things I want to do to the house. And we have a
Yeah.
little bit of liquid cash that we could. But we just came out with this new loan product that doesn't require any equity, but it allows you to make improvements on your home. It's not a second mortgage. It's just a loan, but it's made specifically just for home improvements.
It can be anywhere from $2,500 to $25,000.
Yeah.
Right.
Don't hesitate to call the credit union because we are excited to help you get into your first home or to any home, and we're excited to help you keep up with the home that you've already bought. We have a lot of products to help you do that.
That's right.
Not only just mortgages, but home equity loans, home equity line of credit. So if something comes
Yeah.
up and you just want a line of credit for when things like that pop up, that's what that's for. And like I said before, the no equity home improvement loan, so big. I mean,
Yeah.
that's huge. There's not a lot of loans like that out in market. And either way, come talk to the credit union because
Yeah.
we're bored. We want to talk to you.
It's our job.
I'm just kidding. We're not bored.
We're not bored at all.
Very
We're
busy and
working
important.
really hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're here to help.
Yeah. Cheers.
Oh yeah. Cheers. Always.
Okay, I want to know why there's lipstick on your cup if it's empty.